Welcome to this video on handwriting. Handwriting is an individual characteristic, meaning it is unique to each person. Handwriting analysis is a crucial branch of questioned documents, particularly in signature identification. Handwriting analysis also involves examining holographs, which are documents written and signed by one person. Another area is the analysis of anonymous or pseudonymous letters to determine the writer's origin and background. Forensic document examiners investigate alterations to determine when and by whom changes were made. They also analyze figures, handprinting, block lettering, and marks. Furthermore, they address problems related to typewritten documents, such as identifying the typewriter used. When examining typewritten documents, questions arise about the make and model of the typewriter, the number of typewriters used, and any additions or alterations to the original text. Also, the analysis of writing materials like paper, ink, and erasers can prove useful. Mechanical match involves comparing seals, stamps, perforations, and trademarks, often using techniques similar to tool mark examination. For burnt documents, restoration of the writing is required, and sometimes estimating the value of currency notes involved. Miscellaneous examinations include erasures, indented writing, the sequence of strokes, and the analysis of gum, adhesive, and sealing wax. Thank you for watching this video on handwriting analysis.